Have you ever had a pet go missing? You know that heart-dropping feeling, right? Well, Sam went through that for 10 whole days with his cat. Nano just vanished. He did everything, put up posters, made endless calls, posted stories online, but got nothing. He was starting to lose hope then. One morning, he opens his door, and who's sitting there? Perfectly calm. Nano, and she wasn't alone. She was at the door of his new neighbor. Turns out, the neighbor thought Nano was just a super friendly stray who loved chilling on his balcony, so he'd been feeding her. So Nano finally came home, but now she's got to favorite humans. She wasn't lost. Just expanding her social circle. Would your cat do this? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.